Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 extremely odd and unexpected animals you won't believe exist.
Over millions of years, evolution has sculpted a breathtaking tapestry of life, a spectacle of diversity that never ceases to amaze.
From the highest mountain peaks to the deepest ocean trenches, our planet teems with creatures both strange and wonderful, each uniquely adapted to their environment.
Join me as we embark on a journey to uncover some of the most peculiar and fascinating animals on Earth. These creatures, often hidden in the shadows or tucked away in remote corners of the globe, challenge our understanding of the natural world.
And remind us of the boundless creativity of life itself. Prepare to be astonished by their unusual appearances, their extraordinary abilities,
and their vital roles in the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems.
The dense, rain-soaked forests of Madagascar are home to an array of extraordinary creatures, but few are as peculiar as the eye. This nocturnal lemur, with its piercing gaze and bat-like ears, seems to have been pieced together from different parts of the animal kingdom. Its most striking feature, however, is its long skeletal middle finger, which seems to move with an eerie life of its own. This remarkable digit is a tool of survival, used by the eye to tap on trees, listening for the telltale sounds of grubs and insects hiding within. Once located, the eye uses its powerful incisors to gnaw a hole in the wood, then deftly extracts the unsuspecting prey with its elongated middle finger. This specialized hunting technique, known as percussive foraging, makes the eye a truly unique and fascinating creature. Sadly, the eye is endangered, its forest home threatened by deforestation. Efforts are underway to protect this unusual primate and ensure its survival for generations to come.
In the ancient waterways of Mexico, we encounter a creature that seems to defy the very laws of nature, the axolotl. This remarkable amphibian, also known as the Mexican walking fish, possesses an astonishing ability. It can regenerate lost limbs. Imagine losing an arm or a leg and having it grow back, perfectly formed. This feat of regeneration, almost unheard of in the animal kingdom, is a reality for the axolotl. But the axolotl's secrets don't end there. This creature also exhibits a phenomenon known as neoteny, meaning it retains its larval form throughout its life. Unlike other amphibians that undergo metamorphosis, the axolotl keeps its feathery gills and remains in its aquatic home. These extraordinary abilities have captivated scientists for decades, offering potential insights into tissue regeneration and human medicine.
Our journey takes us now to the deep ocean, a world of perpetual darkness and immense pressure. It is here, in this alien realm, that we encounter a creature of truly bizarre appearance, the blobfish. As its name suggests, the blobfish has a rather gelatinous, and some might say, unfortunate appearance. Its body, lacking a rigid skeleton, seems to melt into a puddle of pink flesh. Its face, with its bulbous nose and perpetually frowning mouth, has earned it the dubious honor of being dubbed the world's ugliest animal. But the blobfish's unusual appearance is not a cruel joke of nature. It is, in fact, a brilliant adaptation to its extreme environment. Its gelatinous flesh, less dense than water, allows it to maintain buoyancy at depths where other fish would be crushed. So, while the blobfish may not win any beauty contests, it is a testament to the incredible adaptability of life on Earth. Chapter 4: The Saiga Antelope, Master of the Dust Bowl. The vast steppes of Central Asia are home to a creature that seems to have stepped out of a prehistoric past, the Saiga antelope. Its most striking feature is its large bulbous nose, resembling an oversized snout which hangs over its mouth. This unusual appendage is not merely a cosmetic quirk, it is a vital adaptation to the saiga's harsh environment. During their long migrations across dusty plains, the saiga's nose acts as a filter, trapping dust and debris before they can reach the lungs. The large nasal passages also help to regulate the saiga's body temperature, warming the cold air in winter and cooling the hot air in summer. Sadly, the saiga antelope is critically endangered, threatened by habitat loss and poaching. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this unique and ancient species, ensuring that its distinctive profile continues to grace the steppes for generations to come. Chapter 5: The Star-Nosed Mole, Feeling Its Way to Survival. Beneath our feet, in the hidden world of underground tunnels, lives a creature with an extraordinary sense of touch, the star-nosed mole. This small burrowing mammal possesses one of the most unusual noses in the animal kingdom, a ring of 22 fleshy appendages that resemble a pink fleshy star. These appendages, known as Eimer's organs, are covered in thousands of tiny sensory receptors, allowing the star-nosed mole to see its surroundings in complete darkness. The star-shaped nose moves with incredible speed, constantly probing the soil for worms, insects, and other invertebrates. In fact, the star-nosed mole is so adept at finding food that it has been recognized as the fastest-eating mammal on Earth. Its unique adaptations make it a master of its subterranean world, a testament to the power of evolution to shape life in the most unexpected ways. Chapter 6. The Pink Fairy Armadillo, a pocket full of pink. The dry grasslands and sandy plains of central Argentina are home to a creature that seems to have sprung from a child's storybook. The pink fairy armadillo. As its name suggests, this diminutive armadillo is remarkably small, measuring just a few inches long, and sports a delicate pink shell that appears almost translucent. This unique coloration comes from the blood vessels beneath its shell, which help to regulate its body temperature in the harsh desert environment. The pink fairy armadillo is a master of digging, using its powerful claws to construct elaborate burrows where it spends most of its time. It emerges at night to feed on insects, worms, and other invertebrates, using its keen sense of smell to locate prey. This elusive creature, rarely seen by humans, is a reminder that even in the most desolate of landscapes, nature holds surprises for those who look closely. Chapter 7. The Dumbo Octopus, an adorable denizen of the deep. Our journey takes us back to the deep ocean, where we encounter a creature that seems to have stepped out of a Disney film, the Dumbo Octopus. Named for its resemblance to the beloved elephant, this deep-sea cephalopod possesses two large ear-like fins that protrude from its mantle, giving it a whimsical and endearing appearance. But these fins are more than just a cute accessory. They are used for propulsion, allowing the Dumbo octopus to fly gracefully through the water. Its body, unlike that of most octopuses, is soft and gelatinous, lacking the rigid internal shell found in its shallow water relatives. This adaptation allows it to withstand the immense pressure of the deep ocean. The Dumbo octopus is a rare and elusive creature, rarely observed in its natural habitat. Chapter 8. The Leafy Sea Dragon Master of Disguise. In the cool, temperate waters off the coast of Australia, we encounter a creature that seems to have sprung from a fantastical dream, the leafy sea dragon. This extraordinary fish, a relative of the seahorse, is a master of camouflage, its body adorned with long, flowing appendages that resemble seaweed. These appendages, however, are not used for swimming. They serve solely as camouflage, allowing the leafy sea dragon to blend seamlessly into its kelp forest habitat. It drifts effortlessly among the seaweed, its body swaying gently with the current, virtually indistinguishable from the surrounding vegetation. The leafy sea dragon feeds on tiny crustaceans, which it sucks up through its long pipe-like snout. Its ability to disappear into its surroundings makes it a challenging subject for even the most experienced underwater photographers. Chapter 9. The Yeti Crab Farmer of the Deep. Our journey takes us to the depths of the Pacific Ocean, to a world of hydrothermal vents, where superheated water spews from the Earth's crust. It is here, in this seemingly inhospitable environment, that we encounter a creature that seems to defy the very limits of life, the Yeti crab. This extraordinary crustacean, named for its resemblance to the mythical Himalayan creature, is covered in long silky hairs that give it a furry appearance. These hairs, however, are not fur at all. They are covered in bacteria, which the Yeti crab cultivates as a food source. Living in a world devoid of sunlight, the Yeti crab has formed a remarkable symbiotic relationship with these bacteria, which convert the chemicals spewing from the vents into energy. This unique adaptation makes the Yeti crab a fascinating example of life's ability to thrive in the most extreme environments. Chapter 10. The Kakapo, the parrot that forgot how to fly. Our final destination takes us to the remote islands of New Zealand, home to a creature that seems to have stepped out of a prehistoric past, the kakapo. This extraordinary bird, the world's only flightless parrot, is a testament to the power of isolation to shape evolution. The kakapo, with its rotund body, moss-green plumage, and owl-like face, is a creature of the night. Once widespread throughout New Zealand, the kakapo's numbers plummeted after the arrival of humans and the introduction of predators such as rats and stoats. Today, the kakapo is critically endangered, with fewer than 200 individuals remaining. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this unique and charismatic bird, including breeding programs and predator-free islands. The kakapo's story is a reminder of the fragility of island ecosystems and the importance of conservation efforts to protect our planet's biodiversity.
Outro until next time. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the animal kingdom's most bizarre and unexpected creatures.
From the depths of the ocean to the heart of the rainforest, we've encountered creatures that challenge our understanding of biology.
And remind us of the boundless creativity of evolution. These animals, often overlooked or misunderstood,
play vital roles in their ecosystems and remind us of the interconnectedness of all life on Earth.
Their stories highlight the importance of conservation efforts to protect not only individual species, but also the delicate balance of our planet's biodiversity.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the natural world and never stop being curious about the creatures that share our planet.